Hello and welcome to the second tutorial on how to use your WordPress site. For this tutorial we're going to work on inserting an image to be part of your gallery and a Buy Now button. So first we're just going to start, I've already logged in and I'm going to go up here to the dashboard and I'm going to go to posts and I'm going to add a new post. So the first thing I want to do is figure out which piece I want to add, so I'm going to hit the upload image button and I'm going to select a file from my computer, and let's say I'm going to use this lovely little green decanter here. So here is the image ready to upload. In this media gallery here, there's a few options to look at. Down here, one of them for this one is size. So you can decide if you want the full-size image or some of these other options, large, medium, thumbnail. So that'll affect how you want it to show up on your page. There's many ways to use this gallery uploader. One way is to insert the image into your post or to save it, and which would just save it to the gallery. So you need to know the difference between those two buttons depending on what you're doing. For this, because we're just making an individual detail page, we want to insert this one into the post. So we want to use this one right here. And there it is. You can see this black line here, that's the cursor kind of highlighting this next to it. But we want to maybe put our wording below the image. So let's just hit return. And then I want to say something about the piece, like this piece is very nice. And maybe the size of the piece. And let's see, what else do we want to do? We want to go over here to the categories and decide what category to assign to this one. If we want to make it available for sale, then we want to make it in the available artwork category here. This category tells the plugin that anything with that category highlighted will be accessible to be for sale. You can also then put it in any of the other categories that you like. Let's say this is craft art. And let's just go ahead and save that and hit publish, just to make sure that we're there. Oh, we haven't entered a title yet. Let's go ahead and do that. Green decanter. I'm going to hit publish again. All right, so let's view it to take a look and see what it looks like. So I'll hit the View Post button up here. And so there is our image. So here's the text that showed up underneath of it. Here's the title. And now we want to add the Buy Now button. So we can go back here to edit the post. So what you want to do is add a little piece of code wherever you want the Buy Now button to show up. And as you get used to it, you might be able to just type that code in, but I don't remember those things very well, so I made you a shortcut. So if you go over here to Pages, we'll go to All Pages. I made a little short codes page here. So if we just edit that, I use this as a place to paste all the short codes so that you can just copy paste them. The one for the Buy Now button is this one here called bracket ArtPal equals insert end bracket. So I'm just going to copy that. And then I'm just going to go back to my post. And here's my green decanter. And I'm going to insert my cursor after the last text. I'm going to hit return. And I'm going to paste. And I'm going to update. And let's view the post. So now this is very interesting. Notice how it says, please contact me if you're interested in purchasing this piece. That is the text that ArtPal has inserted if you haven't put a price associated with this. If you don't have a price, then you can't buy it. So we need to add a price. So we're going to go back here to edit the post again. And in order to add a price, all we need to do is use these custom fields down here below the main editing screen. So if I pull this pull down menu down here, one of the first ones you see is ArtPal price. If I select that, and then over here in the value field, I can add whatever value I want. Let's say I want to sell this piece for $45. You don't need to add the dollar signs, it'll do that for you. Then you can add custom field, you just hit that button. And then let's say you want to add shipping on top of this, just in case that you know, if somebody wants to ship it, it might cost a little bit to get some of these pieces shipped. So let's say it's, I don't know, $12. You want to add that custom field. All right, so now I've added the price for $45, the shipping for $12. If you want to update those at any point, you just hit the update button here and it'll let you edit those. But let's go ahead and update the whole page over here at our main update button. And now I'm going to view the post. And look at that. Now I have, here's the text about the piece, here's the price, here's the shipping, and here's the Buy Now button. And if I click the Buy Now button, it'll take you right to PayPal. At the moment, I still have it going to my PayPal, but we will change that over in a second. And I think that's all you need to know for the moment on adding a piece, Buy Now button to your website. We will next talk about how to now add this image to your gallery so that we can navigate to it. Because at the moment we've made this piece, but there's no real easy way to find this piece on your website. So that's the next step. Talk to you next. Bye.